In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of managing your account on Filmora step by step. We'll cover everything you need to know to ensure your account is set up just the way you want it. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to head over to Filmora's website. To do this, open your browser and type in the URL www.filmora.io. Once there, you'll notice a variety of features available on the homepage, but for today's tutorial, let's focus on accessing your account. Next, you want to navigate to your profile. You'll typically find this option in the top right corner of the website, often indicated by a small icon or avatar representing your account. Go ahead and click on your profile to proceed. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you'll see View My Account. Select this to access more detailed settings related to your account. On this new page, you'll notice a section labeled More Account Details. This is where you'll find additional options regarding your account management. Click on it and you will be directed to a new browser window or tab. Now that you're in the detailed account settings, look for the Account section. It's typically organized by categories to help you easily find what you need. In the Account section, locate the Profile option. This is where you can make a variety of changes to your personal information and preferences. Once in your profile, there might come a time when you need to make significant changes or even opt for a fresh start. For whatever reason that may be, Filmora provides the option to delete your account. To do this, simply click Delete Account. It's important to note that this action is irreversible, so ensure you've weighed your decision fully before proceeding. When considering account deletions or significant alterations, remember to check whether you've saved any important projects or information elsewhere, as access will be permanently removed after deletion. It might also be helpful to reach out to customer support if you're unsure about the implications of deleting your account, just to cover all your bases. All right, once you've made your decision and followed through with the deletion, you're all set. That's everything you need to navigate and manage your Filmora account effectively. By understanding these steps, you can ensure your account reflects your preferences and needs. I hope this guide has made things clearer and more manageable for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy follow guides on your favorite software tools. See you in the next video.